Replace an alignment bar wheel on the HP Latex R printer series when the wheel is not working correctly. Before replacement, make sure the printer is idle. Unload all substrate and close all covers and windows. From the IPS or internal print server, touch Maintenance. In the list of maintenance operations, touch Replace an alignment bar wheel, and then touch Start. The screen displays instructions for the replacement process. Keep in mind, if you follow the steps in this video, the instructions can just be used as reference. Move the alignment bar to the service position. Go to the input side of the printer and then unscrew and remove the alignment bar. Place the alignment bar on a flat surface with the wheels facing up. The wheel should rotate in a full circle. Check each wheel to find the damaged one. On the wheel that needs replacing, use a screwdriver to loosen the screw from the support. Remove the support and the broken wheel. Lift the support to position the new wheel on the alignment bar. With the wheel installed and rotating correctly, reinstall the alignment bar at the pins and then tighten the screws to secure it. From the IPS, calibrate the alignment bar.